Welcome to the Rust Belt 2005 Hyundai Sonata. In the garage, episode 4. Let's get some! You little fuck! Look at that piece of shit! And that's why you don't just throw new pads on without replacing the rotor, because this thing is fucked! You got 4 bolts holding that bitch in. Whoa. Alright, so normally you'd want to use like some kind of hub puller or some kind of pulling device to actually separate this hub. But all I really got today is 4-pound sledge. And what I think is about to happen here is I'm going to hit this and this whole parking brake assembly, backing plate. This should all come off and then I'll be able to replace this hub. So let's see how that goes. There we go. Boom, there it is. And there we go. Hub is out. Right, now you got your bolts in. You're just gonna grab your little ABS protector cover. That's nice. Slips on. Oh, damn, that new wheel bearing? Shit, this thing is fresh. 1,000 subs and I will get an air compressor. Y'all can help me out if y'all like these videos, you want to see me use some air tools, or if you like me just using these peasant methods, then I guess just keep watching. So that's it. 2005 Hyundai Sonata, straight from the Rust Belt. We did 4-wheel brake job and replaced his rear wheel bearings. we got the motherfucker done. So that's it, episode 4 in the garage with your boy, TPR for life. Oh, listen to that hub. Can you guys hear that shit? Listen. Oh, damn.